పాలు లేస్తాడు పాలు అమ్మ Children, 17th one, a square piece of 10 of the side 18 centimeters. It is made into box without top by cutting a square from each corner and folding of the floor. The box, what should be side of the square to cut off the volume of the box? Maximum possible. Okay. So maximum possible means square means what you can write now? These and all old problems. So here in this square box, square box. So this is x centimeters. This is also x. So x plus x mana 2x square of the 80 centimeters. So here x plus x, you can write 2x. So here what you can write, sir? 18 minus 2x in this side. So this also x, x. This is also x, x. This is also x, x. So now here in this side also 18 minus 2x. So volume V is equal. Actually, what is the formula on a volume? Side into side into side. So x cube. V is equal to x cube. So V is equal to x cube means what can write, sir? X into 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x. Right. V is equal x into 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x. So now here inside of the bracket you can multiply. Inside of the bracket you can multiply means what you can write, Kana? Here see 2 I will take common. Okay. So 2x means 9 minus x. Here also 2 I will take common. 9 minus x. 2 into 2 4x. Okay. 9 minus x whole square. Okay. So now here you can apply, sir, a minus b whole square formula. B is equal 4x into a square means 9 square 81 plus x square means b square minus 2ab means 18x. 18x. So now here both sides you have to differentiate. You have to differentiation on the both sides. So here what you can write, sir? dv by dx is equal dv by dx is equal. Otherwise inside of the bracket also you can multiply now. So that is given this. Better you can multiply inside of the bracket 4 into 81x plus x cube minus 18x. So both sides differentiation of the equation dv by dx is equal 81 plus 3x square minus 36x. 36. So already you know corner point dv by dx is equal to 0. dv by dx is equal to 0 means what can write, sir? 3x square minus 36x plus 81 is equal to 0. So 3 table will get cancelled. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 7 ja. So what can write, sir? X square minus 12x plus 27 is equal to 0. Here factors you can find out. What is the factor, sir? 27 factors. 3 into 9. Yes? You can see board, right? So now here x square minus 12x plus 27 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So factors what, Nana? 27x square. 27x square means what you can write? 3x into 9x. 9 3s are 27. X into x square minus into minus plus. So 9 3x 3x 12x. So now here x square in this 12x is equal to, I will write in this term minus 3x minus 9x plus 27 is equal to 0. X you can take comma x minus 3 minus 9 you can take comma x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is the common factor. X minus 9 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3, x is equal to 9. Okay, in this value you can substitute the main. Anyone doubt? Once you can copy now. Once you can copy them.
Left side move the telephone. Sir, left side board is not visible, sir.
1 minute, I will arrange.
Right yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Completed amma?
No, sir.
Amma?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay. See Nana, here second order also d square y by dx square in this equation is equal 4 into what you can write down here 81 constant value means 0 2 into 3 6x minus 36 so d square b by dx square is equal to 0 so 6x minus 36 is equal to 0 6x is equal to 36 so 6x is equal to 6 okay so now here actually whatever find out in x is equal to 3 you can substitute here so d square b by dx square is equal 3 into 6 minus 36 minus 36 so d square b by dx square is equal 18 18 minus 36 means minus 18 okay same you have to find out one more also d square b by dx square is equal here 9 into 6 minus 36 so that it cancel okay once you can calculate here itself this and all old problems nana root sums
Completed, sir.
Okay. Anyone you can read 18th one? 18th one, anyone you can read? Anyone you can read the 18th one number? No one will read, right? Huh?
A rectangular sheet of 1044 centimeter by 24 centimeter is to be made into a box without socket by cutting off squares from each corner and folding up the flags. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum?
45 minus 2x. So volume is equal to, already you know formula nana. B is equal to x cube, means x into x into x. One side is x, one more side is 1 to 4 minus 2x, one more is that one. So here you have to multiply inside of the bracket nana. So 24x minus 2x square into 45 minus 2x. So now here v is equal, inside of the bracket you can multiply nana. So 24 into 45. So 24x into 45 minus 2x minus 2x square into 45 minus 2x. So here you can multiply nana. 24 into 45 means what you can write, sir? What is the value, Ra? 1080x 24 into 2 48 x square, here 90 x square minus into minus plus 4 x cube. So here otherwise you can write 4x cube minus 48 minus means 138 x square plus 1080 x. Now here both sides you can differentiate nana. With respect to x, dv by dx is equal 12x square minus 138 into 2. 138 into 2 means what you can write, sir? 276 x plus 1080. So here already you know corner point, dv by dx is equal to 0. So dv by dx is equal to 0 means what you can write, sir? 12x square minus 276x plus 1080 is equal to 0. Two table will get cancelled now. Last digits is even numbers. So 2 6 are here, 2 1 are, 2 3 are, 2 8 are 16. Next here 2 5 are 10, 2 40 means 5 correct only na 5. Okay. So again one more table will get cancelled. 2 2 3 are, 2 6 are, 2 9 are, 2 2 are, 2 7. One more 3 1 are, 3 2 are, 3 3 are, 390. So here finally what is the equations are I am writing here amma. So what is the equations are x square minus 23x plus 90 is equal to 0. Okay. So one second copy. What is the factors you can write now? 8 in 5 are. Yes. So one second copy. డ్రైవింగ్ చేస్తావురా కాదు నన్ను నేర్చుకో అంటే నేర్చుకోలేదు ఆ రోజు నెక్స్ట్ నాన్న కమింగ్ వీక్లీ టెస్ట్ 6.1 అండ్ 6.2 నాన్న
You are muted, sir.
You can complete it now up to here. Diagram and design. నువ్వు రెడీ అయ్యిందా ఎవరో ఒకరు రెడీ అయ్యింది క్లాస్ అయిపోయినా
రెడీ ఉంది నాన్న కూడా అనుకుంటా ఒకటి పాపలం అని చెప్తే ఆగరా ఇంకోటి ఇప్పుడు చెప్తున్నావు కదా
So here see na x square minus 23x plus 90 is equal to 0. So here already you know factors, sir. What is the factors? 90x square 90 factors what nana 18 5 yes 18 yes super nana. So 18 into 5 90 18 plus 5 23. Okay sir. X square here minus is there nana minus into minus plus. Okay, so now here x square in this order, any order you can write nana, that is your wish. So minus 18x minus 5x plus 90 is equal to 0. X you can take common, x minus 18 minus 5 you can take common, x minus 18 is equal to 0. X minus 18 is the common factor. So you can take common x minus 18 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. So now here x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18. X is equal to 5. Okay. So now here in this equation dv by dx is equal to what sir? dv by dx is equal x square minus 23x plus 90. Yes. So second derivative d square v by dx square is equal 2x minus 23. Okay. In this case values you can substitute. That's it. Okay. X is equal to 18. X is equal to 5. Once you can copy me. So 19th homework amma. Okay, can complete it. So 20 I will explain. Completed ra? Nine. Right. Completed amma.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone can read 20 now? Problem number 20. You can read by anyone. Surface area. No one can read ra.
Show that the right circular cylinder of the given surface and maximum volume is such that its height is equal to the diameter of the base.
What about remaining ra? She is only reading. Okay. Surface area formula nana 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r s. Why sir you are writing it? See nana. Wait for this one. Why I am writing? S minus 2 pi r square is equal 2 pi r h. So h is equal s minus 2 pi r square by 2 pi r. Okay. So now here volume is equal to formula volume pi r square h. Pi r square h. So now here volume is equal pi r square h means what can write as surface area formula I can write 2 pi r square by 2 pi r. So here in this pi will get cancelled. In this r will get cancelled. V is equal r into s minus 2 pi r square by 2. So here what you can write sir? Value is equal rs by 2 minus 2 pi r cube by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. V is equal rs by 2 minus pi r cube. Pi r cube. So here with respect r. So differentiation what you can write sir? dv by dr is equal s by 2 pr by dr will get cancelled minus 3 pi r square. Okay. So now here dv by dr is equal to dv by dr is equal 0. So here what you can write sir? S by 2 minus 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square is equal to 0. So here what you can write sir? S by 2 is equal 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. So now here s by 3 pi means 6 pi is equal to r square. R is equal root of s by 6 pi. Okay, once you can copy. బోర్డు అది ఎప్పుడు ఒక సండే తప్పితే ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది. ఒక 10 minutes ఉండి మళ్ళీ గ్యాప్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ గ్యాప్ తీసుకుంటుంది.
మధ్యాహ్నం
Completed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
See, Nana, in this equation, dV by dr is equal s by 2 minus 3 pi r square. Both sides differentiation, Nana. d square v by dr square is equal to 0 into 6 pi r. Okay, so now here d square v by dr square is equal minus 6 pi r. So r value already you got it. In this r value can substitute. Okay, so once you can copy now. So r value you got it now. You can substitute the h value is there no? H value also you can find it. H is equal to your writing now. So that's why. So 21 homework amma. Okay. Okay, ma. 21, 22, 23 homework done. 24th I will explain. Okay. So today, tomorrow I will start integrals, not integrals, sorry. Tomorrow record work I will explain. Okay. So after record work, we'll start integrals. Anyone can read 24th, Amma? Amma, you don't read, Nana. Remaining you can read, Nana. Volume A is equal 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, h value you can find out same. So means 3v by pi r square h. Surface area S is equal 5 RL 5 ready 5 RL L square is equal to R square plus H square. L is equal to R square plus H square. This formula you can apply here. Surface area H is equal to 5R. L means what can write sir? R square plus H square. This square root. This square root. Okay. So now here surface area. Okay. So H is equal to what can write sir? This one you can write. So here H means what can write sir? Surface area 5R into R square plus H square means what can write down here? H square. So H square is equal 3 square means 9V square by 5 square R power 4. You can write here. So 9V square by 5 square R power 4 in this square root. Now we can find out LCM. What is the LCM, sir? S is equal 5R into here 5 square R power 6 plus 9V square by 5 square into R power 4 in this bracket. So S is equal 5R 5 square R power 6 9V square by this what can write sir 5 R square. So 5 will get cancelled R. So now you can respect differentiation both sides. Once you can copy now. So this is the methods. Okay.